Hello, what's up everyone? Kuya Ness is here, and the Insta360 Ace Pro was announced on November 21, 2023 and made available on the same day. It retails for $449.99 USA dollars and can be purchased from Insta360 directly or via Amazon and selected retail partners like LAZADA Philippines. This pricing makes the Insta360 Ace Pro one of the most expensive action cameras on the market. It's $50 USA dollars more than the market-leading GoPro Hero 12 Black and the DJI Osmo Action 4. Well, let's hope that it delivers enough to make it worthwhile. In this video, I just want to quickly talk about these annoying issues about using my old GoPro Hero 7 Black that pushed me to jump to the newest Insta360 Ace Pro. The first reason that makes me so annoyed to my old GoPro is the battery drains so fast even if I use it only for a couple of minutes. By the way, I'm using only original GoPro batteries and filming 4K 60 frames per second and edit and post. I think that this GoPro is very old and can't handle the workloads that I'm putting into it. So I think it's time for an upgrade now. Oh come on, I need an upgrade. Secondly, the GoPro is prone to overheating issues and the screen will suddenly freeze while filming. I lost so many clips because of this issue and I need to remove the battery just to restart the unit and make it work again. Can you imagine that, going home to edit the videos and suddenly all the video clips were not there or suddenly deleted?
Hell no.
Third problem that I have is every time I use my GoPro, I need to check the date and time because it randomly restarts itself, including the video stabilization. You need to check it out every time because it turns off by itself.
Oh no.
With the new Insta360 Ace Pro, now I can easily film even in dark places with the help of its new 1x1.3 inch sensor size and a 48 megapixel camera. The Insta360 Ace Pro adopts the traditional GoPro style form factor with the most identical dimension and button positioning to the Hero 12 Black. However, the Ace Pro is noticeably thicker and quite a bit heavier. I think this is primarily due to the inclusion of the flip-up screen on the rear of the camera. The flip screen works similarly to the one that we saw on the Insta360 Go 3, but it's larger and has a higher resolution. It's the first time that I've seen a screen like this on a traditional action camera, and it's really handy, especially it's a flip screen. It will enable me to frame my shots easily when filming myself and filming low angle shots. The crisp and clear screen and the hinge mechanism feel very robust. Of course, moving parts are typically less durable than the static ones, so time will tell how this screen holds up and to the kind of conditions that action cameras find themselves in, but I'm not too concerned about that. After all, I took a good care for all of my cameras.
Oh yeah.
According to Insta360, the Ace Pro is waterproof up to 10 meters without the case, just like the Hero 12, and feels just as solid. The Ace Pro features latching magnetic mounting system on its base, so it means goodbye for the annoying thumb screw anymore. And there's more to add. Insta360 Ace Pro got tons of new features than the old and the latest GoPro Hero 12. Especially the new AI features on the Insta360 Ace Pro push my wallet to its limit. I guess there's no more coming back to the GoPro anymore. By the way, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next videos. Peace.